You probably hear a lot about processed foods, refined foods, and I think those two terms often get interchanged a lot, but they really do mean two different things. A food that is processed is not necessarily a bad thing. For example, taking peanuts and making peanut butter. That's processed. Something refined is where they might take a grain and strip away the outer layer, which contains a lot of the vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and you end up with something that is just less nutritious. So when you are looking at different products, such as breads, crackers, cereals, one of the things you're going to want to do is to look at the ingredient list. Now, ingredients are listed highest to lowest on their weight. So the ingredient that's in the highest amount is going to be at the top of the list, and the ingredient that is in the lowest amount, again by weight, is going to be at the bottom of the list. And if you see the terms on there, enriched wheat flour, a lot of times people think, oh, well, wheat flour, that's what I'm supposed to have. I've heard whole wheat is good. But you needed to say whole wheat or 100% whole, whatever the grain is. If it says enriched, then that means something's been stripped away and nutrients have to be added back. But there's about 20 nutrients that the food is still missing. So even though a food is enriched, it's not nearly as nutritious as the natural whole state food. So whenever you see something that doesn't say 100% whole grain or whole wheat, whole oat, whole rye, you're probably holding something that is more refined.